Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money on Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a language model powered by AI that can answer any question you may have. But did you know that you can also earn money on this platform? In this video, we'll show you how. First, you'll need to sign up for an account on the Chat GPT platform. Once you're logged in, you can start earning money by answering questions from other users. The more questions you answer, the more money you can make. To increase your earning potential, make sure that your answers are accurate and informative. Users will rate your answers, and the higher your rating, the more likely you are to get chosen for future questions. So, make sure to take the time to provide detailed and helpful answers. Another way to make money on ChatGPT is by creating content for the platform. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create content in the form of articles, tutorials, or even videos. The more engaging your content is, the more views it will get, and the more money you can make. ChatGPT also offers a referral program where you can earn money by referring others to the platform. For every user that signs up using your referral link, you'll earn a commission. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a great way to earn money online by answering questions, creating content, and referring others to the platform. Just make sure to provide accurate and helpful answers, create engaging content, and share your referral link with others. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to make money online.